Hello. Well, I watered the other day, and wherever the leaves are, the spinach, it's a little wet, like moist, but everywhere else it's dry already. So it looks like I need to water again.
Yeah, but it's cold. It's cold.
Yeah. So Charlie decided to come in.
Matt and his cats.
All right. Well, today we are gonna put up the plastic on here. So in order to do that, I think Sarah forgot. We have to take everything off this top shelf.
Why was that my responsibility? That's what we're out here for.
I didn't say your responsibility. I said I think you forgot.
Oh, no, that's why we're out here. Get this done. It's time.
You hear his motor? It's running.
Matt tried for a good 5 minutes to get Pixie to come in here too.
She doesn't know the routine yet.
Oh.
She'll figure it out. It's a lot warmer in here.
Yeah. Been trying to cut this spinach down at the bottom here so when we put the tarps on, we're not killing off a bunch of it that we could otherwise be eating. And for the most part, that's worked good. So we want everything down or move it as we go. Hi, Charlie.
We can do it in sections, so we can slide like this down. Put up the
slider back?
Yeah, and then remember what we did last year? We kind of balled it up a little bit towards the back. Mm-hmm. So it enclosed this area.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
So.
Okay. I was thinking, and then we just kind of put stuff on top to hold it.
Yeah. I really like how the frost and stuff was
It makes such pretty designs.
Pretty cool.
So nice. And tell us what you're setting up over there, Matt.
Yeah, so I have this cable plugged in. Oh, I hear someone. Oh, that was him.
Oh, are you sure? I thought it was Pixie. Yeah, it is.
Where are you, kitty?
Come on, Pixie. I think she's on the far side there.
Here, kitty, here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come here, girl.
You get out of the cold for a minute.
What I'm going to do is I plugged in the cable that I have buried, and we are going to heat it that way. But tomorrow it's supposed to be a little nicer, so I'll come in here and water everything, and then we'll get it all nice and watered, and it'll stay nice and warm in here for them, because that cable is going to heat up the soil, which therefore everything stays warm in this little section. We didn't get the pepper plant in here. I didn't. So I failed there. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to plant it in the soil, so then there's no moving them. So we'll have pepper plants in here next year, a couple of them. But when we start our seeds, I think what I'm going to do is then turn on that barrel and probably heat it up to about 100 degrees. So it just has heat, excess heat in here. And I might bring in a couple trash cans and do the same thing, fill them up with water. So this way, when we start our seeds, it doesn't affect them. If you're new here and you don't know what cable I'm talking about, it is a frost cable. We got the idea from M.I. Gardner, and we buried it. And I would say when we added all this dirt, it's somewhere in the ballpark of 1 foot to 16 inches down. So that's going to help heat this whole bed up. So we did that. We got the idea from him. So I'm putting weight against here to hold the plastic tight, so this way the heat stays contained in there. It's not, all the way tight. There's a little gap there. I'll probably have some there, but for the majority of it, it'll stay in and heat this area rather than it falling out and going everywhere else. We gotta do chores, and we just realized we've never done evening chores with you guys.
Have we never?
I think so.
It's usually
the kids.
Yeah, and it's usually getting closer to dark.
Yeah.
Open the door for you.
What are you pooping in there for? She is getting big. You're a big girl. Pixie likes to come down here and drink their water. I don't know why.
She has her own water.
Yep. She just prefers to come down here. Says hi to the pigs and starts drinking water.
I like how she's perched on the edge of there. It's cold. Go up on your warm house and drink water. You give her colder water or something? Walk around the bowl. Don't fall in. Ooh. Hello, chicken ladies. Haven't been in here for a few days. What are you doing? I still got pumpkins, Matt.
Yep. The corn's been helping.
Well, they seemed excited for that. 2. I'm getting feathers with these gloves on. 3, 4. Need to find some of my own gloves. 5, 6 eggs.
Nice.
Half a dozen. $2.50 at the store.
When you put it that way.
Yeah. Hey, you. What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't need to be in there. Want to sit up here? Is this gate holding the pigs in?
Yeah, it's been working good. I do want to, the next time we go to a hardware store or Menards, I'm going to get a hook. So this hook's on there. But they haven't been able to get out. Only time they got out is when someone didn't hook this, so.
Is that why you want a hook for it?
Yeah. Well, they're not doing it now with the screws, so they probably won't do it with the hook, but either that or come up with a latch. Pretty easy, pretty simple system. And it's fresh greens all winter, so
Yeah.
works out. Glad you guys see us again.
Bye.